What's going on, everyone? Derrikmonster here, back in with another video, and today I'm going to Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen has come out with like 4 new blizzards or something like that, and I'm gonna try one of them today. I'm gonna try their Oreo Cheesecake Blizzard. It's apparently a new blizzard, and they come out with summer blizzards every single year, and now that's finally becoming summer, they come out with their blizzards, and one of the new ones is their Oreo Cheesecake Blizzard, and that's probably gonna be the most popular one. So that's the one I'm getting today. I don't know if I'll be able to try all of them. I don't know. I might go periodically throughout the summer to try all the new ones that they have. But yeah, their Oreo Cheesecake Blizzard is a new one, and I'm going to try that today. But yeah, as always, I got my mask, and I got my gloves, and I'm going to head to Dairy Queen. I'll see you when I get there. Okay guys, so I finally made it to Dairy Queen. I have sunglasses on because it's very sunny out, which it's a nice day to try ice cream, you know? So, yeah. But I'm at Dairy Queen, about to head to drive-thru, get my blizzard, and I'll see you when I get home. Okay guys, so I'm back from Dairy Queen. I have my blizzard right here. It's kind of melted though, because obviously I had to drive with it, and I really can't record myself and drive and eat something at the same time. So it's a little melted, which I would do the test, because what Dairy Queen does when they give you the blizzard is they turn it upside down, and you know, it never fails, it never falls out. But since it's melted right now, I really can't do that. But yeah, I got my new Oreo Cheesecake Blizzard, you know, because that's new. And hopefully these items are on for the summer, because I would like to try all of them. I also did happen to give my brother food, and he got his chicken strip basket, but he couldn't eat all of it. So, and he ate it on the way home, by the way. So he gave me what is left of it, which are basically just fries and a piece of Texas toast, which it looks like it has cheese in it. But yeah, that's what I have for food. But maybe we're gonna focus on the Oreo Cheesecake Blizzard. But I am a little hungry today because I didn't have a big breakfast, which I usually never have a big breakfast. And usually I just skip breakfast and go right to lunch, because I get up at like lunchtime. Except today I got up at like 10 a.m. so I basically could have had breakfast. But maybe it's just a mentality of high school having lunch at 10:30 a.m. because I would get it to high school around like 6 a.m. you know, because I had school start at 7:20, but I had to get there at 6:20 because I had 0 period jazz band. So yeah. But maybe that's just me. I don't know. Usually when I wake up, it's usually if I wake up early, I go and have breakfast somewhere. Like I've done a couple of breakfast videos at Taco Bell. Actually, maybe just one. I don't know. But anyway, let's dig into this Oreo Cheesecake Blizzard. I don't know how Oreo Cheesecake is gonna taste. I like Oreos, and I like their Oreo Blizzard. But let's try the Oreo Cheesecake. That's a weird taste. You can definitely taste the cheesecake, and it just gives you that Oreo taste too. It's not bad, I will say that. I just don't know what to think of it. It tastes fine to me, you know. It's a strange flavor. You definitely get that cheesecake flavor with the Oreo. So, it is an Oreo cheesecake. Never had a cheesecake with Oreo on it. But it does taste like an Oreo cheesecake, if a cheesecake had Oreo on it. I've actually never tried their toast, so I might as well. I wonder if it would be good with ranch, because I originally got ranch for the chicken, and my brother doesn't like stuff on his chicken. I mean, that's fine. I never used to like stuff on my chicken until I started these videos. So, maybe try it without ranch. Is Texas toast supposed to have cheese on it? Because I'm pretty sure this has no cheese on it. I think it's just butter with 2 pieces of bread. No, actually it's just 1 piece of bread. So yeah, it's probably just butter and grilled. Because this side doesn't look grilled. This side is. Let's try it with ranch. It gives it a little more flavor. Yeah. With ranch on it, gives it way more flavor. Okay. I can deal with that. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna try their frying ranch. I don't think you would ever dip a potato or anything. I was trying to think there if you like would dip a potato in ranch or put ranch on a potato. I don't know. It's okay. I wouldn't normally do it, but it's actually not that bad. I'm slowly learning that ranch goes with everything. You know, I'm starting to finally put it on my chicken, you know, after really not doing barbecue sauce and doing ketchup. When I started doing those boneless wing video, and that Parmesan bread thing from what is it? Domino's. That really got me into like I should start putting ranch on stuff. So I started putting it on my pizza. And now I guess that's and now I dip my breadsticks in it. I dip my chicken in it. You know, whenever my dad makes chicken or whatever. Actually, we went to Wendy's earlier this week, and I did decide to do a video because I wasn't in the mood to do any videos, and there's like one thing left I want to try. I wasn't feeling it, so I just got what my regular is, some spicy chicken nuggets with baconator fries. You know, that's what I got. I got ranch, and I started dipping my chicken in that. So ranch kind of does go with everything. Maybe that's why I like it so much with Texas toast. Hold on, Oreo in my throat. Excuse me. Yeah, but maybe that's why I like it so much with Texas toast, because you dip breadsticks in ranch. You know, maybe that's why I like it. Because it's just bread that's kind of grilled, and I guess I put it on it. I mean, it's kind of like the first step to a toast cheese sandwich. You put, you know, butter on the bread, then, you know, flip it. So yeah. So it's like without the garlic or Parmesan, it's basically the same as a breadstick. Which, now that I'm thinking of it, I can kind of taste the breadstick, kind of feel to it. It's pretty good. But focusing on the Oreo Blizzard, Oreo Cheesecake Blizzard, I should say. It's actually not bad. You know, at first I was hesitant. You know, going to try it. I didn't know how I was going to like it. And then I saw it, I was like, oh, this looks like it can be pretty good. Then when I took that first bite, I was like, I don't know. But now that I'm having it more and more, it's actually not that bad. Maybe it's because it was a little malted. I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't taste that bad. It's okay. Anyway, by the way, this is a small, and it looks like a small, but it's way bigger than you think. Like, here's my spoon. That's what it goes to. I don't know. Anyway, the Oreo Cheesecake Blizzard, I would definitely recommend it. I would only recommend it if you like cheesecake. If you don't like cheesecake, don't try it. Just get a regular Oreo Blizzard. They do have other Blizzards out now for the summer. They have like Frosted Animal Cookie, Wonder Woman Cookie, something. I don't know. There's 4 new ones out for summer, and then there's 2 returning ones. I know one of the returning ones is like s'mores. But yeah, you know, I will probably go back to Dairy Queen next time I get out. I'll probably have a Blizzard, and I'll probably try one of their chicken sandwiches, because I was there and I was looking on the menu and I was like, some of the chicken sandwiches look good. So yeah, might have to have some of their chicken sandwiches because they look good. But yeah, that's it for this video. They gave me 2 things of ranch because it was a 6-piece chicken thing. So now I got 2 things of ranch that I'm not going to use for just whatever fries are left in here. You can't really see it. Oh yeah, that's not that much fries. Anyway, I recommend the Oreo Cheesecake Blizzard if you like cheesecake. If you don't like cheesecake, just don't get it. Get something else. Because if you don't like cheesecake, you're not going to like this Blizzard because it tastes like cheesecake. Okay? So, yeah. But I would definitely recommend it if you do like cheesecake. But yeah, that's it for this video. Stay safe. I'll see you guys on next time. Bye.